Welcome to the AOC AG276QZD2 gaming monitor setup tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up your AOC gaming monitor. Let's get started. First, let's see what we have inside the box. We have the monitor itself, the stand, the base, screws for the VESA plate, the USB-B to USB-A cable, the HDMI cable, the DisplayPort cable, the power cable, and the power adapter. We also have the quick start guide, which is handy for setup instructions. And finally, the VESA adapter plate. Let's connect the stand and base to the monitor. First, we will lay the monitor on a flat surface facing down. Next, we will connect the stand to the monitor. We want to connect the stand to the monitor by pushing downward on the stand to snap the stand in place. Finally, we will screw the base to the bottom of the stand. For optimal viewing, it is recommended to look at the full face of the monitor, then adjust the monitor's angle to your own preference. Hold the stand so the monitor will not topple when you change the monitor's angle. The monitor can be height adjusted 130 millimeters and tilted -5 degrees to +23 degrees. The monitor can also swivel 30 degrees and rotate 90 degrees. Note, please do not touch the monitor screen when you change the angle. It may cause damage or break the OLED screen. Next, let's see the ports on the monitor. First, we have the power button and joystick, followed by the power adapter port. Next, we have 2 HDMI ports, 2 display ports, 1 USB-B port, 2 USB-A ports, and lastly, we have a 3.5 millimeter audio port. In this example, we will connect via the HDMI port to the monitor and HDMI port to computer. First, connect the power cable to your monitor and then plug into your nearest wall outlet. Next, connect the HDMI port to the monitor. Next, we'll connect the HDMI port to the computer. Once we are done connecting the monitor to the computer, we will receive video signal to the monitor. You must be plugged in via the USB port of the monitor to the USB-A port of the computer to activate the hub. Here, we're going to go ahead and connect the USB cable to the monitor and then the USB-A to the computer. Next, we will connect our mouse to the monitor using the USB hub. We are now testing the mouse to make sure that it was successfully connected to the monitor. The AOC AG276QZD2 monitor can run at 240 Hz, but not all graphics cards are capable. Older or lower end graphics cards may not have the necessary power or features to support such a high refresh rate. It is recommended to check the specs of the graphics card you are considering, ensuring it can handle the 240 Hz. And there you have it. Your AOC gaming monitor is now ready to use. Be eSport ready with AOC gaming monitors.